hot already. Here's what I'm doing. This is where my pool equipment is. In here are the filters. I want to build a little filter cleaning station right here, because when I clean them just on these rocks, all the water washes down here and makes a huge sloppy mess. This is the catch basin. I'm gonna dig down so this is buried. This is where I'm hoping to connect into the pipe that's already there. And this is my new pipe I'm gonna run off of here. So this will drain and then tee and connect into the existing. Hello!
Hello, welcome to Cottage Coach.
Still a kid at heart. My dad just texted me. Get ready to make a move. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Move this camera back under. Keep it dry. It's really coming down now. Pretty dry under here though. Look at that hole already. It's pretty good. Should I test it? Oh my goodness, I'm almost there. The hard part is done. I dug the big hole. Now I just have to build the trench. Build the trench. I gotta build it. I gotta dig the trench that runs over to the other line. I gotta also make sure that it's on a downhill slope. I don't want the water sitting in the bottom of this basin. I want the water to flow, so. I found it. I found the pipe. There it is. Right under there. This is my T connector. I gotta cut it, get my T installed there, and then dig all that out and run my line across there. Before I backfill, I'm gonna grab the hose and stick it in the basin and make sure it does flow out. Looking good. That's it. That's it. I did it. The water there. Amazing. The one thing I just remembered also is that I'm gonna have to suck all the water out of that basin at the end of the season, because there's about 2 inches of water in the bottom that'll freeze and then crack that plastic. So in the fall, when I drain all the pool equipment, I'm gonna have to drain that little bit of extra water that sits in the bottom out. Exhausted from all the digging, but I really want to check it out, so I'm gonna pull the filters and give this baby a test. Now I just need something that turns the filter for me. Next time on Cottage Coach.